they got that tank there. I said, what brother fucking all the Harleys he's at? He's got a tank laying out there. We'll have a chrome tank on that fucker. Yep, I'll polish this son of a bitch all up.
Yeah, I want to see this movie.
I don't think it'd be that hard to move that axle back 4 inches, do you?
No, I got it home set. What are you going to run this in?
Chrome. I can't wait to hook this fucker against my fucking tree side.
I want you to send him pictures quick so he can show the guys at work.
Well, this phone's better than mine. Oh, yeah? Oh, Megan, where's Megan at?
At a baby shower. Well, I call it a born day party. Because they didn't, it's not actually a baby shower because she didn't have the kid. She adopted the kid, so I wouldn't call it a baby shower.
Listen, here's what's going on. Why you have something?
Run.
Oh, buddy. He drove it up on there.
Any fuel in it?
Yeah, battery. Charge it up off. I'll probably charge it up and get her off there tonight and then ride down to the edge.
Yeah, I want to hear this motherfucker. I'm sure you hear him go by.
Get the price.
Yeah.
Wait, you still got to be at 8 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
I hear him.
Every night.
When you started up in that, give one of us a call.
Right off.
In low gear, they clocked him.
The hell you got Bailey's truck for?
An hour in low gear hooked to the sled of this fucker. There's videos on.
He's out riding his bike.
Boy, this fucking thing is nasty.
Yeah, I want to see this motherfucker go.
Honey, I forgot to get them fucking center caps. We'll have to drive back out again.
Kiss my ass.
The ones for the
Where was
front,
this thing?
they're only like 30 bucks.
Yeah, oh, fuck yeah.